Welcome to Vast Accessories, your ultimate destination for all things tech. Whether you're a seasoned tech enthusiast or a curious beginner, get ready to embark on an exciting journey through the digital realm, exploring the latest gadgets, software, and cutting-edge innovations. Our mission is to demystify complex tech concepts. Whether you're looking to make informed tech decisions, learn something new, or simply geek out over the latest tech wonders, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and join us on this thrilling tech adventure. Moley Robotic Kitchen. Many of us love eating but hate cooking. So how about we could have a personal chef at home without hiring anyone? Well, Moley Robotic Kitchen is the answer. The invention that cooks your food with robotic hands. This is a creation that can prepare any dish you want from scratch. It has two robotic arms and hands that mimic the movements of human chefs, following the recipes that you choose on the app. It also has a full set of kitchen appliances and equipment that are optimized for both robot and human use. You can use Moley Robotic Kitchen for any meal, from breakfast to dinner. You can also order ready-to-cook ingredients, or use your own fresh or frozen ingredients. Moley Robotic Kitchen will take care of everything from chopping and stirring to boiling and baking. You can leave Moley Robotic Kitchen to do its job, while you do other things. You can also monitor and control Moley Robotic Kitchen from anywhere with the app and get notifications when your food is ready. Coravin Timeless Six Plus. Do you love wine but hate wasting it? Then you need Coravin Timeless Six Plus, the ultimate wine lover's gadget. It is a wine preservation system that allows you to access any bottle of wine at any time without ever removing the cork. It uses pure argon gas to create a seal between the wine and the air, keeping the wine fresh for weeks, months, or even years. You can use Coravin Timeless Six Plus to explore your wine collection and discover new flavors and aromas. You can also use it to pair wines with food and impress your guests with the way you pour your wine. You can even use it to aerate your wine and enhance its taste and texture. ChopBox. Do you love cooking, but hate the clutter and hassle of using multiple tools? Or you want to save time and space in your kitchen, but wish you could have a cutting board that does it all? Then you need ChopBox, the invention for your cooking needs. This is a bamboo cutting board that has a built-in scale, timer, knife sharpeners, and sanitizing light. It is easy to set up and use. You just need to replace your old cutting board with the ChopBox and start chopping, as it has two cutting surfaces, so you can chop different ingredients without cross-contamination. ChopBox is versatile and smart. You can weigh your ingredients with the scale mode, which can measure up to 6.6 pounds of food. You can set the timer for your oven with the timer mode, which can count up to 9 hours. Or sharpen your knives with the knife sharpeners, which have two different angles. And you can also sanitize your knives and cutting surfaces with the sanitizing light, which can kill 99.99% of germs and bacteria. It is made of 100% natural organic bamboo, which is knife-resistant and water-resistant. It also has a long-lasting battery life, which can last for 30 days on a single charge. Suvie 3.0. Do you wish you had more time to enjoy your family and less time worrying about what to cook for dinner? If so, meet Suvie 3.0, the next generation in revolutionary cooking. This is a countertop kitchen robot that can cook delicious meals for you with zero effort. Just load your ingredients, tell Suvie when you want dinner ready, and let Suvie do the rest. You can choose from hundreds of chef-designed Suvie meals that are delivered right to your door, or use your own fresh or frozen ingredients. Suvie 3.0 uses patented cool-to-cook technology that refrigerate your food until it's time to cook. Then, it uses 4 different cooking modes to prepare each component of your meal perfectly. You can schedule your meal ahead of time, or use the rapid cook feature to go from frozen to ready in as little as 25 minutes. HexClads. cleaning up after cooking can be tiresome, how about you can enjoy the benefits of both non-stick and stainless steel cookware? Well, we have the solution. Welcome to the world of HexClads, the only true hybrid cookware in the world. HexClad's pans are made with a patented technology that fuses free non-stick with laser-etched stainless steel. The result is a surface that releases food like a breeze, but also allows for high-heat searing like stainless steel. You can use HexClad's pans for any type of cooking, from frying and sautéing to roasting and baking. You can also use any kind of utensils, even metal ones, without worrying about scratching or damaging the pans. And when you're done cooking, cleaning up is a breeze. HexClad's pans are dishwasher safe and oven safe, as it can withstand up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. They also have an aluminum core that distributes heat evenly and prevents hot spots. Kitchen Flux Magic Block. Kitchen is meant to be the cleanest place in our homes, right? If so, do you worry about germs and bacteria on your kitchen utensils? Or do you want to keep your knives and tools clean and sharp? Then you need Kitchen Flux, the smart solution for your kitchen needs. This magic block is a kitchen utensil sterilizer that cleans and sanitizes knives and other tools with UV light and antimicrobial ventilation. With this device, you can store up to 10 knives and 5 utensils in the device. The Kitchen Flux Magic Block is smart and effective as it uses UV light to kill 99% of germs and bacteria on your utensils. It also uses antimicrobial ventilation to remove odors and moisture from the air. It is also convenient as it saves you time and energy by cleaning your utensils automatically. It also has a built-in knife sharpener that keeps your knives in optimal condition. iFlow. Are you wasting much water in your home? Then you need iFlow, the touchless eco-friendly faucet. This is a faucet adapter that turns any tap into a touchless one. It uses an infrared sensor to detect your hand movements and control the water flow. It also has a smart display that shows you the water temperature, usage, and timer. You can use iFlow for any purpose, from brushing your teeth to shaving your face. You can choose from 3 modes: normal, eco, and shower. Normal mode gives you a continuous flow of water, eco mode gives you a pulsing flow of water, and shower mode gives you a spray of water. And when you're done using iFlow, cleaning it is easy. iFlow is dishwasher safe and waterproof. It also has a self-cleaning function that prevents bacteria growth. HAPIfork. Maybe you often eat too fast and feel bloated or guilty afterwards, or you want to slow down and enjoy your food more. But you wish you had something that could help you eat better. Then you need HAPIfork. This is a smart fork that helps you monitor and improve your eating habits by vibrating when you eat too fast. It is easy to set up and use. You just need to connect it to your phone and set up your profile, and it will track your eating speed, bites, intervals, and duration. HAPIfork is smart and effective. It vibrates when you eat too fast, reminding you to slow down and chew more. It also guides you to eat at the right pace, which can help you digest better and feel fuller. This fork is fun and informative. It shows you your eating stats and feedback on your phone or online dashboard. It also helps you set goals, track progress, and share with others. PancakeBot. How do you love making your pancakes? How about you can create the pancake while exploring your creativity and having fun at the same time? PancakeBot makes it possible. It is the world's first pancake printer. This is an invention that can print pancakes in any shape you can imagine. It uses a batter dispenser that moves along a griddle, following a design that you create on your computer or tablet. You can use the included software to draw your own pancake art or choose from hundreds of pre-made designs on the online community. You can use PancakeBot to make pancakes for any occasion, from birthdays and holidays to school projects and parties. With PancakeBot, you can have a delicious and fun breakfast every day. Plus, it's easy to use and clean. Onehandplate. when eating, do you struggle with one hand? Then you need Onehandplate, the device that lets you eat with one hand. This is a device that attaches to any plate and also holds your drink securely. It has a flexible arm that can bend and rotate to fit any position. It also has a soft grip that prevents slipping and spilling. You can use Onehandplate for any meal, from breakfast to dinner. You can also use it for any type of food and drink from hot to cold. You can easily switch between eating and drinking with one hand while using the other hand for other tasks. And when you're done eating, cleaning Onehandplate is easy, as it is dishwasher safe and detachable. It also has a compact size that makes it easy to store and carry. Rapid Egg Cooker. How do you boil your eggs? And what if I told you there is an easier way with the help of Rapid Egg Cooker, the device that makes perfect eggs every time. This is a device that can cook up to 6 eggs in minutes with no water or mess. It has a poaching tray, an omelet tray, and a boiling tray that let you choose how you want your eggs: hard-boiled, soft-boiled, poached, or scrambled. It also has an auto shut-off feature that prevents overcooking and a measuring cup that ensures the right amount of water. With Rapid Egg Cooker, you can have a delicious and nutritious breakfast in no time. Plus, it's easy to use and clean. It also has a sleek design and trendy color options that will accent any kitchen space. Uutensil Stirr. Even though you love cooking, standing to stir the food for a long time can be a hassle. That is why I introduce you to Uutensil Stirr, the device that stirs your food automatically. It attaches to any saucepan and stirs your food for you. You can use Uutensil Stirr for any dish that requires constant stirring. At the push of a button, this unique product rotates by itself and travels around your pan, stirring sauces, soups, porridge, gravy, and lots more perfectly, leaving you free to get on with something else. It has a flexible arm that moves around the pan, following the shape of the pan. You can also adjust the speed and direction of the stirring, and set a timer for when you want it to stop.